They planned this operation for months, every movement timed, every landing calculated. But the first seconds already break the plan. Units land in the wrong places, formations disappear. No one sees what is happening beyond a few meters. This was not how it was supposed to begin. The invasion depends on precision. Each phase is built on the one before it. If one element shifts, everything behind it shifts too. There is no buffer. The system has no room for error. The plan assumes control over distance and time. But both depend on the sea. Currents change positions. Timetables collapse. Units arrive separated, not together, not synchronized. The operation also depends on communication, on reports, on feedback. But information does not arrive. Command waits for a situation it cannot see. Decisions become local, based on fragments, not on the whole picture. This is the most dangerous phase. Not panic, but uncertainty. Some units move, others stop. There is no shared rhythm. For several minutes, the invasion balances on the edge of failure. No central correction arrives. No new orders. So the plan is abandoned. Not officially, but in practice. Improvisation replaces control. Movement replaces coordination. The movement continues, but it is no longer directed. What happens next is not execution. It is reaction. The invasion does not regain control. It barely holds together. The landings continued. The front stabilized. But stability came at a cost. Not in plans, not in reports, but in lives.
This is Ghosts of War. Join us next time as we uncover another unexplained battle, lost army, or legend of war. The past awaits its story.